Everyone. Today I just wanted to share something with you around some other activities that you can do at home which are really purposeful for your child's learning. What I wanted to share today is the fact that something as simple as baking with your child at home, doing some cooking, is really beneficial for their learning. We understand that it's hard for you guys at home, and sometimes completing the work on our iPad that we have set is a little bit tricky for you to do. So this is another way that you can still incorporate really quality teaching and learning into your lives at home without having to stress yourself. It might take a little bit longer if you're deciding to do this activity with your child, because cooking can take a little bit longer when you have a little helper, but it's a really beneficial way for them to practice their skills at cooking, but also their really important fundamental skills of reading, of writing, and of maths, as well as some problem solving that's going to occur as well. So today I'm going to do some cooking with you, and I'm going to show you how you could cook with your child at home. I don't have any children, so I will be just modeling how this could work at home. So today I'm going to be making some banana bread. So I have my banana bread recipe all written out ready for you. The first thing I did was I used Prolo and looked at the ingredients list and found out everything I would need. I needed 2 types of flour, I needed brown sugar, I needed cinnamon, I also needed butter, I needed 2 eggs, and bananas. Next, I needed to have a look and make sure I had all of my ingredients on my bench before I got started. Next, I read the instructions and follow the method. Add bananas to a bowl and mash. Add eggs to bananas and mix. Add flowers, sugar, and cinnamon to a large bowl. Melt the butter and mix everything all together. Pour into tin and bake for 45 minutes. While I was waiting, I was able to write some of the words from my recipe. I also typed out my recipe using Book Creator. When they were ready, I got them out of the oven using my oven mitt, and I left them to cool. I remembered to turn off the oven, and then I could count how many I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now my morning tea is ready.